Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important and essential for all the freshers out there. The reason is going to be very simple because we are going to discuss three important points in our today's video, which is first point is firing employees and the layoffs is the new norm in the IT industry. The second point is why acquiring the right advanced IT skills important right now in the 2024 year. Then we will be discussing about having the right skills. You don't have to worry about anything. It can be layoffs, it can be job security or any other thing. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let us move forward. But I have a small humble request to all of you guys that please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates about the videos that we post online, the posts that we do online, and other things as well. Okay, it will ultimately motivate us to make more such informative videos for all of you guys. Okay, so let us move forward now. The first point is that firing employees is the new norm. That is the layoffs that is happening in the IT industry, and it is worrisome for a lot of people. It is worrisome for a lot of people, freshers as well. Okay, the reason is very simple, that even if you get a high-paying job and you go into that job, you start working, but you might not be having the right skills. Earlier, what used to happen was whenever you are joining a new company, there was a specific time, there was a learning graph, there was a learning curve that used to be there, and they used to provide some kind of training. But right now companies are expecting that people are trained in the technologies, okay, and then they are interviewing, they are taking technical interviews and a lot of other things, right? And then they are hiring you. Okay, so that is the reason they want you to be start working from the first day itself, the day one itself. Okay, it has been like what, 35 days since the 2024 year has started, and you might have seen that there are a lot of news articles claiming that many companies, not only in India but in the entire world, they are firing a lot of employees. They are finding a lot of freshers, so to say, that they have fired more than 30,000 people as of now in the first 35 days of the year 2024. Hence, it is very important to acquire the right skills so that you are able to sustain well. Okay, I've personally seen a lot of people, including freshers, who are approaching different people working in different companies and asking for referrals, or they are going for walk-in drives. But the only important thing is that you should have the right skills if you want to crack any interview. So if you don't have the right skills, if you're not able to answer anything when the interviewer is asking you questions, then what is the purpose of getting an interview scheduled? And this is where a lot of people go wrong. Okay, they simply see that that guy is getting 15 lpa package, that guy is getting 10 lpa package, that girl is getting 12 lpa, okay, and that bank is offering this much salary. But what they don't see is that, are you capable to crack that interview? Are you capable to work in that role? Many people simply they try to crack the interview, and after when they start working in that company, right, they are not able to perform. They are still learning, and that is what a lot of IT companies right now on the smaller scale, the small scale industries or the startups, they cannot afford. They want people who have the right technical skills, straight away started working from the day one, as I already mentioned, right? And they want people to have learning attitude. So a lot of people don't have learning attitude at all. Recently, I had a discussion with a co-founder of a good company, a very big company, which is providing services, IT services, website related services, and other things, right? ERP solutions and a lot of things. They have expanded their base in the UAE, that is, and also the US as well. They are expanding a lot right now. And that video will be live soon. Do let us know in the comment section if you want us to make more such informative videos. Definitely, I'll share the link of that video. Okay, as soon as it is published online. Then he mentioned that people do not have the common sense, right? People do not have the ambition to learn. People are simply satisfied if they started learning React JS for example, front end, right? So what happens is they start learning it, and then after some time, if they get a good job, right, they stop learning. So this is wrong in the IT industry. If you want to survive, if you want to sustain, if you want to grow your career, you always have to learn. You will have to keep on learning. Every 5 years the technology changes, the demand changes, right? So earlier it was React JS, now it is what UJS, okay, Next.js, other things are happening, right? Earlier it was Java, and now it is Golang, other things are happening, right? It was earlier it was like server based and everything, now it is cloud based, AI, machine learning, a lot of things coming up straight away. So we need to be agile in the sense that always learning, always improving, and if you really want to get a good job, right? So if you have if have the right skills, right? So I'm being completely transparent with you, because personally I get a lot of messages, right, on LinkedIn as well, that please refer me for this role. But you are a fresher, right, and you do not have any experience, right, you do not have any experience of working on hands-on projects, right, you do not have any experience of committing the code on GitHub. So this is a simple thing that a lot of people don't know about, like how to commit the code, how to create a profile on GitHub, right, and then like how to show your commits. Okay, if you show your commits that I've been coding every day for last what 50 days, 60 days, or even 90 days, and you can show that, share the link with the interviewer, you can share the link with the person who you are asking the referral for, and this is how you can grow, this is how you can get more interview calls, right. So people don't do any kind of projects, right. Projects are the key important things when you are trying to get a job as a fresher. And I feel that if you are not getting any job, right, if you're getting an internship, you are getting a free internship, like you're not getting paid enough. Okay, so do that internship, try to get a PPO, try to get a like pre-placement offer. Okay, at that internship, even if it is free of cost, use the project experiences over there, and like ask for referrals. So there might be a technical guy in that company, right, where you are interning for. So you can ask that person that please refer me to some other company where I can get a good job, where I can get an internship which is paid. Okay, if you have explored everything that is present in the current company. So these are the things that you can do, guys. Okay, so I'm just not telling you, but these are some of the general solutions that you can implement, and that can definitely give you good results. Okay. I hope that my point that I want to explain is clear. Even if you have any more doubts, guys, do let us know in the comment section. I will happily make all the points clear. Okay. I'll clear out all the points, and I'll make videos on that as well if required. I can bring on an expert from any field that you want to know about, and then we can have a podcast kind of thing. You can share the questions with us in the comment section, and we can bring the like guests, and we can have a question answer session with them. Because generally what happens is, if you are trying to reach out to a person, right, on LinkedIn or any place, any other place, right, so the possibility of getting a specific amount of time from that person is very less. Whereas if we go and approach them for a podcast, it will be convenient for a lot of people. We have more than 10,000 subscribers, and that is the reason I'm saying, guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that we will be growing, and along with us you will also be growing. Okay, so yeah, so we can approach people, we can ask them for a podcast, we can ask questions to them, and then we can share the videos with all of you guys. And a lot of people also started mentioning about the English that I'm using in the videos. Yes, definitely, guys, I like started this channel. I could have started this in Hindi as well, which is kind of a lot of people use Hindi as well, okay, in India. But the main purpose of starting this channel in English was that I wanted to improve myself, I wanted to have that fluency. And I know that English is a global language, and if I want to excel in the field of IT, where a lot of people are communicating in English right now. So that is one of the key reasons why I started this channel in English. So that was all about this today's video, guys. If you feel that this video was helpful, then please consider subscribing again. So that is very important. I know people are not subscribing, they're watching the video, they're liking it, but they're not subscribing. So guys, please subscribe. It is very important for us. Okay. Till then, keep watching, guys, and don't forget to comment your doubts. Thank you again, and have a good day. Bye bye.